Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to order new Cash App card if lost or stolen. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Cash App mobile application, and once you are on this type of page, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see a bunch of different information. So you just have to scroll down and then you are going to see the option of support. So I simply need to click on the support option and then you will be redirected on the support page. Now over here you need to try to find the option of report your card, and then in the report your card you will have to select the option of stolen/compromised or card missing. After that you need to tap on the chat option that you see in the bottom, and then the chat support will be open in front of you. Now over here in the chat support you can start typing that someone has stolen your card and now you want to get a new card, and then they are going to give you the instructions which you need to follow in order to apply for a new card. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.